Are you looking for a way to create a business page on Facebook? In this video, we will show you an easy step-by-step process to create a business page on Facebook from your personal account. We are using an iPhone, but this process will also work for Android too. Now let's check out the process. Open Facebook, tap on the three-line icon, tap Pages, tap Create, tap Get Started. Now you have to select the category. You will get some suggestions here. You can also search for anything if that's not in the list. You can select multiple category if you wish. We are selecting just one for this video. Tap Done. Tap Next. Now add your page name. Tap Done. Tap Next. Now if you have a website, you can link it here or you can skip it if you wish. You can add a profile picture and a cover photo from here. You can add a picture if you want. Tap Use. Tap Save. When you are done, tap Done and your page will be created. You will get this prompt. Tap Next. You need to invite your friends. Tap Invite Friends. And your page is created. Now you can add posts or share anything as you wish. This is the way you can create a Facebook business page easily from your personal account. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.